Did you know that right now, someone is downloading a cracked version of Photoshop, and they might deplore it? Piracy isn't just illegal, it's dangerous. But what if I told you there are legal ways to get these tools for cheap, or even free? By the end of this video, you'll learn how to wipe our files, or steal credit cards. Before going too deep, subscribe us. Section 1, the piracy problem. These are the programs give people to risk for viruses and lawsuits for every day. Adobe Creative Cloud. Its monthly cost $50 and increasing day by day, therefore India and Russia pirate at 3% more than the US. Microsoft Office. 1 in 4 businesses accidentally use pirated copies, facing $150,000 fines. WinRAR and IDM. Jokes on pirates. 100% of cracked versions in Asia contain malware. But it's not just about ethics, it's about survival. Let's talk risks. Section 2, why piracy backfires. Pirated software isn't free, you pay in other ways. $18.7 billion lost to piracy yearly. Malware enter from cracks which can wipe your files, or steal credit cards. Nintendo sues emulator for $2.4 million. Good news, you don't need to pirate. Here's how to win legally. Free power tools. GIMP does 90% of Photoshop's job for $0. Even pros use it. Student secrets. Adobe CC drops to $20/month for students. Autodesk. Free if you have a school email. Family plan loophole. Split $70 per year with friends, that's $12 per person. Section 3. Global piracy crackdowns. China now fines pirates 85% of the time thanks to telemetry tracking. UK piracy dropped 22% after site blocks. Fun fact, WinRAR's team made millions from honest users who just finally paid. So next time you're tempted by a free download, remember the safest hack is playing by the rules. Want the links to all these legal tools?